natin yung bawang, luya guys, ginger. So ayun guys, mamaya na guys, magkikisa na tayo for today's video. So ayan guys, so magluluto na tayo guys. So nakaprepare na po lahat. Meron na po tayong ginagayat na mga bawang at luya guys. At ito po yung lulutuin natin, tahong for today's video. So, I'm so excited guys na iluto to talaga guys. So, ayan guys, so mamaya guys, gigisayin na natin siya TOR para iluto ang tahong. So, ayan guys, so madami guys. 1 kilo yata to guys. Let's go. So, lulutuin na natin siya for this video guys. So, I'm so excited guys. So, ito guys, at dito natin siya lulutuin. So, ayan guys, mausok siya guys. So, hintayin mamaya natin siya guys. So, pasensya na guys kasi yung video natin is alam nyo na guys. So, wala po tayong nag-video guys. So, tsaka lang guys. So, ang gamit ko po pala ngayon guys is new phone po. Oppo A12 po guys. So, naka-Oppo A12 po tayo guys. So, ito na po yung ayan guys. Ayan guys, tapos na ang ating tahong. Oh my god. Look at this guys. Ito na yung guys. Ang tahong guys. Ito yung tahong natin guys. Ayan guys yung tahong. Oh my god. Ayan guys yung tahong. Let's kumuha tayo ng tahong at titikman natin guys for today's video. So, ano bang lasa guys? So, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share guys. So, ayan guys. Tapos na tayo guys. So, mga video guys. So, ayan guys. Ayan guys. So, tikman natin guys. Patay ng peso guys. Ito guys yung tahong. Oh my god. Guys, masarap siya guys. Pasensya guys, kanihirap na ako mag-video guys. Tahong. This is it guys, tahong guys. Ano siya guys, kasi wala tayo manag-video guys. Guys, lapang tayo guys ng tahong. Guys. Hello guys, so tapos na tayo magluto guys. So mamaya is magmumukbang po tayo guys. Abangan nyo guys. So 12 na din po dito guys. So tapos lang natin magluto guys. So ayan guys, ito yung update natin guys for today's video, for today's vlog. So Ayan guys, nagluto lang po tayo ng tahong for today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share guys para i-recommend po guys. So ayan guys, so maya guys, magmumukbang na po tayo ng tahong for today's video guys. So ayan guys, yung tahong guys. And pasensya nyo na guys, wala tayong managong video guys. So nahihirapan tayo mag-video. So ayan guys, so takpan na natin guys at mamaya guys, kakain na tayo, maglalafang na po tayo.